Well, we start in South Africa, where the sports minister's comments criticizing Kenya's Olympic teams have sparked a virtual war on Twitter. Fikile Mbalula was responding to a question about racial quotas in sport when he reportedly told a press briefing that South Africa won't be like Kenya and send athletes to, quote, drown in the pool, unquote. Well, Kenyans and South Africans exchanged angry tweets after the incident using hashtags Someone Tell South Africa and Someone Tell Kenya. Isaiah in Kenya tweets, "Someone tell South Africa that our athletes are our pride. We need an apology." In South Africa, some distance themselves from the minister. Sheikh tweets, "Someone tell Kenya, trust me when I say we don't all share our leadership sentiment." Next, netizens are remembering prominent Egyptian blogger and civil rights activist Bassem Sabry, who passed away Tuesday under unclear circumstances. Arash tweets, "I always felt Egypt was so lucky to have Bassem, as if his gentle soul would make everything okay." Nirvana tweets, "Bassem had the ability to win the hearts of everyone, regardless of political affiliation." Now finally, hundreds of demonstrators in Nigeria have marched to the capital, Abuja. They demanded the release of more than 200 schoolgirls abducted by armed men on April 14th. Nigerians are using hashtag #BringBackOurGirls, urging the government to do more to secure their release. Thanks to our community for pitching this story. Now, if you have a story idea, send it our way using hashtag AJStream. Femi?